Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create your own multi-vendor e-commerce website using Active Ecommerce CMS PHP script. So let me give you the quick demo of the website. So this is the website that we are gonna create using Active Ecommerce PHP script. So you can see how amazing this website is. You can explore its landing page. You can see how amazing its landing page is, and in this way you can list your products on the website landing page through admin panel. So you can see all the products. You can just simply click on it and add to cart and pay the price. So you can see the landing page and all the features of this website, and you can see all the things here. So from here you can basically apply to become a seller. So it is a multi-vendor website, so you can also sell, any seller can sell its product and over this website. So this is a multi-vendor website landing page of Active Ecommerce website. So here are some other options such as flash sale. You can also add blogs to this website, and you can see the blogs, different type of blogs on the website. You can also add your own blogs. So here are all brands. You can see by clicking it, here are all the brands that have products on your website. Here are all the categories of products, and you can select your own category by clicking it. So you can see all the categories of product that are listed on this website. So here you can search any specific product if you want to search, such as I want to search iPhone 12 Pro Max. So it will show me all the iPhone 12 Pro Maxes and their prices. So this is the general quick overview of the website. Now let me give you the demo of our admin panel of this website. So let's open the admin panel. So I will type here admin, and it will open my admin panel. So you can see this is the admin panel of this website. You can control your complete website through admin panel from A to Z. You can list your products through admin panel. You can delete your products through admin panel. You can manage your users through admin panel. You can see different graphs of sales and products over here. You can see how amazing this admin panel is. You can see all your details here, and you can control your website completely from the admin panel. So here is a post system option. Here you can list different add-ons, and here are the different option of products. You can add new products, you can delete products, you can see all products and seller products. You can see all your details here, and you can control it. And here are different option of wholesale products, auction products, sale product, delivery boys, and refund, customer. You can manage all your customer related details from here. So customer list, you can see customer list, classified products, classified packages. Here you can see the sellers, all sellers, payouts, and many more things. And here you can upload different files. Here is a blog system. You can manage your blog posts from here. Here's marketing section. Here's sport, affiliate system, offline payment system, Asian payment system, gateways. So you can see all the payment gateways by clicking it. So here are the payment gateways for Asia. Here are offline payment system. You can see manual payment methods. You can add manual payment gateways over the website, and in this website there are many automatic payment gateways, and you can also add your own payment gateways manually. So here is the website setup. You can manage your website header, footer, pages, appearances. You can basically change the complete structure of website in the way you like. So here are the setup and configuration settings. You can, from general setting, basically you can change the site title, system name, and many logo of the website and many other things. So this is the general setting option. So here are some other options. You can see feature activation, languages. You can change languages. You can manage currencies and SMTP settings, many payment methods, order configurations, system cache, and many more things. You can all manage all the things through admin panel. So here are the staff of your website. You can see all your staff. You can manage system update. You can update it, server status, add-on manager. And so this is the quick overview of this Active Ecommerce PHP script website. So let me clear you that to make this complete website, you must need an Active Ecommerce CMS PHP script. So this is a Code Canyon PHP script. You can see this is the script that we are gonna use to create this website. So this is a Code Canyon PHP script, and you can see its price is $59. Now if you don't want to spend this much money, and this is only for only 1 year. After 1 year you have to extend it with $20. So if you don't want to spend this much money and you don't want to extend it after 1 year, if you need it for lifetime, and you can contact me on the number given on the screen, and I will provide you the script on a very low price and for the lifetime. And its sales are 7,008 sales, so, and it's recently updated. So you can see this is a very great script to make a multi-vendor e-commerce website. So let's start building this website. So I'm going to host this PHP script on localhost, and you can also host it on your hosting server. The installation process of the script will remain the same. So let's start it. First of all, I will have to turn my XAMPP, Apache and MySQL on. So they are already on. Now go to the script where it is. So in my case, here is my Active Ecommerce script. I will just copy my script and go to the folder where my XAMPP is installed. So my XAMPP is installed in C. So here's my XAMPP. Go to htdocs folder and just paste the script here. So what you have to do is now you have to right click on it and extract it. But first of all, what we have to do is let's create a new folder and name it Active Ecom. Active Ecom. So just paste your script in this folder to make it arranged. So now right click on it and extract the script. So it will take some time to extract. So you can see that our script has been extracted successfully. Now what you have to do is you have to go back, you have to delete this file and go back. Just copy the name of your script, your folder, and go to your Chrome browser. So here my Chrome browser is open successfully. Now I'm typing localhost and put this name between these two forward slashes. So you can see our script has been opened. So now what you have to do is you have to click on install folder and it will open the installer window. Now you can see that our installer window has been appeared successfully. Now click on start installation process. So you have to fulfill all the requirements. After that, click on go next step. So here we have to put database credentials. Now let's create the database and user. So I will type localhost php my admin. So let's create database for it. So I will create the database with name of active. You can create database with any name. So now go to privileges and create the user. So click on add user account and I will create the user with the name of active with the same name as that of database. Now type the password, retype it, scroll down below, click on check all and just click on go button. So our user has been created successfully. Now go back to your installer window and fulfill the details of a database setup. So here host is localhost, database name is active, database username is also active, so password, and after that you have to click on continue. So here you can see there is an option of import SQL. Now you have to click on import SQL. So now you can see here is the Active Ecommerce setting. Here you have to set up your admin details. So I will enter the admin name admin, admin email admin@admin.com. So here the password is also admin. So here you have to set up the currency, which is USDT, United States dollar, and I will just click on continue and it will establish my website. So you can see, congratulations, your setup has been installed successfully. So now you have to click. So these are all your admin credentials. So here is a customer @example.com, password, seller, and many other things. So now click on go to front end of website. So it will redirect you to your website that is newly created. So you can see your website. So this is a newly created website. Here you can click on apply now to become a seller, and you can see it is not showing anything because website is new and we haven't posted anything on this website yet. So when you post your products from admin panel, your products will be appeared like here in this landing page. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel, and for PHP script you can contact me on WhatsApp and I will provide you the script. Thank you very much.